We want to solve the equations below, the first of which is x squared minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. We start by factorizing x squared minus 10x plus 9. One method for doing this starts by us looking for numbers which multiply together to give 9 and add together to give minus 10. Two numbers which will do this are minus 9 and minus 1. Minus 9 times minus 1 is plus 9, and minus 9 add minus 1 is minus 10. We use these two numbers to rewrite the quadratic expression as x squared minus 9x minus 1x plus 9. We then split in half and factorize the left half. There's a common factor of x here, and if I open a bracket, I get x minus 9. On the right, there's a common factor of minus 1, and if I open a bracket, I get x minus 9. Just checking, x times x is x squared, x times minus 9 is minus 9x. Minus 1 times x is minus x, minus 1 times minus 9 is plus 9. Our final factorization is the x minus 9, which is the same on both sides, and it must always be the case that you have a bracket that's the same on both sides, and the x from here together with the minus 1 from here. I'm not going to go through this process every time I want to solve a quadratic in this section. There is a section on algebraic factors, and this method and a second method, which is sometimes quicker, for factorizing quadratic expressions is covered in that section. If you have trouble factorizing quadratic expressions, you should go back and review the section. We now have that this expression factorizes to give this. So this becomes x minus 9 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. From what we've done before, the first bracket gives us x is equal to 9, and the second bracket gives us x is equal to 1. For x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, we need to factorize into two brackets. X plus 4 and x minus 2 would be the correct factorization. The first bracket gives us x is equal to minus 4, and the second bracket gives us that x is equal to 2.